Hi, welcome to Happy Family Chronicles. Today we are going to do some science experiment. The first one is uh, traveling colors. First, we are going to add some water in the glasses. Now we are going to add the colors. The first one should be in red color. We need to leave one glass and color. We are going to add the primary colors red, yellow, and blue in the alternate glasses. Now we are going to add the blue color. Now we have added the primary colors. Now we are going to add these tissues. Now we have added the tissues. After this, the yellow color and the red color will go inside the blank space, and the color will turn into orange. And when the yellow and the blue color will mix here, it will turn green. And when the red color and the blue color mixes here, it will turn into purple. Have some patience and keep it at a side, and let's see what happens after 7 to 8 hours.
The, the primary colors are red, blue, yellow. The secondary colors are purple, green, orange. When we mix red and blue is equal to purple. Blue plus yellow is equal to green. Yellow plus red is equal to orange. Now we are going to do the next experiment. For this experiment, we need cotton, turmeric powder mixed with water and a white paper. We need to take the cotton and put it in the turmeric powder and spread it on the paper. After applying the turmeric powder, we should dip the cotton bud in the detergent solution and make a drawing. See the miracle! It's so wonderful. The yellow color is changing into the red color. Wow, it's wonderful. We have made the drawing. Now let's see with the cotton bud the next miracle. Let's see what happens by adding the bud into the vinegar. Oh, surprise! When we have put in the vinegar with the cotton bud, my name is erasing. Wow! The color is getting vanished. Wow!
The third experiment we are going to do is cardboard flip. So first we are going to put this cardboard over here, and we're going to do like this.
See, I have leaved my hands, but the water is not spilling out. Wow, it's interesting.
This is simple normal water.
You can also do this experiment at home.
We are going to do another experiment. For this experiment, the materials are a glass of water, we need a fork, a candle, and a rolled piece of paper. And it's gonna be risky. Make sure you have an elder with you while doing this experiment. Now let us start. We need to keep this paper like this, and then we need to burn this paper here. Now we have burned this candle. Now we are going to burn it from here. Now we have burned the paper. Now the smoke is coming from the down. Can you see? From the bottom. Let's start with the next experiment. For this experiment, we will need a plate, a fired candle, a red color food color, a glass, and some water. First, we are going to put some water on the plate. Now, we are going to put the red color food coloring. Some drops. Done. Now we are going to mix it. Now we are going to put this candle here. Now we are going to put this glass over the candle.
The water is getting sucked inside the glass. The height of the water is getting increased inside the glass. Now we are going to lift the glass and the water is going out. See? Wow!
Let's start with a new experiment. For this experiment, we need water, two glasses, salt, and eggs. First, we need to pour some water in both of the glasses. Now we are gonna add salt in this glass. Now we have put salt in this glass. One is normal water and one is salty water. Now we are gonna put this egg in the normal water. It sinks down. Let's see in the salty water. It is floating. If we push it down also it's coming up.
It's a saturated salt solution, that hence the egg floats.
Come on guys, let's start with the new experiments. First, the materials required are dishwash liquid, milk, earbud, and 4 different food coloring. First, we are gonna pour the milk inside the plate. Now we are gonna put these food colorings in different sides. Now we need the earbud and dip it in the dishwash. Now we are gonna press it in one color.
See, the pattern is changing. Wow! Different patterns are forming. It's a nice design. It's so funny.
Now we are going to do another experiment. We should put the water on the plate, then put a matchstick, and with the earbud, we should take some surf and press it on the water. Let's see what happens. Now we are gonna put this matchstick. Now we have chicken. The bud is going.
If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. And also hit the notification area. Thank you. Bye bye.